In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase invoices in Xero. If you're managing your business accounts, knowing how to efficiently log purchase invoices can help streamline your financial operations. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward for you. First, you're going to need to access the Xero accounting software, so go ahead and log in. If you already have an account, this part should be quite familiar. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once there, you'll see the login screen where you'll need to enter your email and password. If you encounter any issues here, make sure to double check your login credentials or select the reset password option if necessary. After entering your details, hit the login button to proceed. You'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, the central hub for all your accounting activities. This is where you'll begin the process of entering your purchase invoices. Look toward the top of the dashboard where you'll notice the plus sign labeled Plus Create New. Click on this to access a drop-down menu which offers several task options. From this menu, you'll want to select Bill. Clicking on Bill will open up a new page, allowing you to enter detailed information about the purchase invoice. Start by entering the supplier's name. As you type, you might see suggestions populating if the supplier is already in your system, which can save you some time. Next, you'll need to set the date of the invoice. Be mindful, getting the date right is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, so double check to ensure you're entering it correctly. Following this, you'll need to enter a reference number for the invoice. This could be found on the invoice document provided by your supplier. It's important for tracking and retrieving this particular entry in the future. After inputting the reference, move on to the details of the purchase. This includes descriptions of items, quantities, and any additional necessary notes that clarify what's being invoiced. With all that information entered, you have a couple of options. If you're still confirming some details or need approval from someone else, you can click on Save to save the invoice as a draft. This keeps it recorded without finalizing it. On the other hand, if everything looks good and you're ready to finalize the entry, simply click on Approve. Doing this will complete the entry of your purchase invoice, officially recording it as part of your business's financial records. And there you have it, you've successfully entered a purchase invoice in Xero. Remember, keeping accurate and up-to-date invoices is crucial for maintaining clarity in your business finances. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for more guidance.